Guys, today we are going to be doing another video, and today we are going to be getting sea monkeys. So first we have to react to it. I got the Neon Ocean Zoo. This is cool. Beep, boop, boop. Is that a time lapse? Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Hey guys. I'm gonna use this for a little bit. I'm gonna use some piece of cardboard. Beep, boop, boop, bop. Beep, boop, boop, bop. So, they are the instant live eggs. That's cool. Right here. Here's the growth field. That's cool.
Is that the one? Yo.
Yeah. And this is a scooper for the thing. This is a water purifier, so like it eats the algae. That's cool. Maybe there's a magnifying glass right here. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. But you guys can see it now. Beep, boop, bop. I want to see what you do. They are a type of brine shrimp. I was right. Step one. You put number one. It's a water purifier. Okay, you pour water and then it has to be.
What the hell? What the dog doing?
It could take about 3 weeks to do it. It has to be 79 degrees to 26 degrees. Okay. Someday will hatch. You have to stir it up. Be patient. Okay. Here's the cap. I don't know how you do it, but I'm gonna set it up. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. I'm gonna put the water purifier in. It says that you have to wait 24 hours to put the number 2 in. So yeah. This is taking a long time. I'll see you in a little bit. I'll see you in one day. Bye bye. Guys, part 2 of sea monkeys. I'm gonna put the number 2 packet in. So let's do it. Bye bye. Let's do it. So I'm gonna get some Caesars. My trusty Caesar. Why did I make that face? That's so good. That's such a... It made it green. It made it green. Made it green for some reason. Bye. Made it green. What's up, guys? Day 3 of this. And guess what? Monkeys! Show you it by. See them in the magnifying glass. Oh, you can see that. You can see that. You could definitely see that. Ah! Let me zoom up on that. You can see them. You can see it right there. That's all for today, guys. And we will see you guys in another video and update. And